The Titan series from Hunter Industrial Fans. The most purpose-built HVLS fans on the market. Titan features a direct drive motor specifically created for industrial fans with cutting-edge blade technology. Designed by Hunter and aerospace engineers. It's an effortless install thanks to our Quick Connect blade system and plug-and-play technology. Titan is available with multiple control options, from a simple one-to-one controller to network controllers with shatterproof screens, which can control up to 30 fans from one controller. Available in 5 sizes, Titan will push air into every nook and cranny of your warehouse, agricultural space, manufacturing facility, or shop, keeping you cool and more productive.